Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel online learning platform. In this video I am going to tell you about the HSC e-service portal for degree attestant, either it is undergraduate or master, postgraduate or PhD degree. First you need to sign up your HSC account by sign up in this website. After successfully sign up, you need to fill all the required information like name, CNIC, phone number, uploading all the education documents, CNIC, your postal size photograph. After completing this process, you will get the OTP in either in email or mobile number. After entering the email, note down that OTP will not giving in the evening or night time. It will always giving in 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. around, between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. After successfully filling the OTP, then you need to book the appointment. You need to first submit the application and your application will be scrutinized. First you need to submit the application and then it will be scrutinized. After successfully scrutinized, it will assign you tasks in assign tasks section that book the appointment. So how can you book the appointment? So you need to show the calendar. First you need to select either it is walking mode or TCS mode. If it is walking mode, urgent mode, the fees will be 3000 and 1000 for the original document and 700 for the photocopy. It will be same for masters, bachelors and PhD. So I have filled the self submission. Either you need to self submission or a authorized person who recognize in HSC. You have both option. I will choose self submission option. Then after selecting the option, your calendar will be open. You need to book any of the dates like 15, 20, 23. Green slots are available, yellow are holiday, and these blank you are not able to select this slot. And after selecting the date, for example 15 will be selected in my case, and then you need to select the particular slot. After successfully slot, you will get the booking appointment. After that you need to pay the fees. After paying the fees, your application form will be downloaded. Fee challan form is using one link transaction. So your consumer number will be giving in the portal after booking the appointment. So when you booking the appointment, consumer number will be giving. You need to fill this consumer number and fees will be 6410 is the platform fees. After completely successfully the fees, your appointment will be booked successfully and it will show the pop-up window. After that your application will be scheduled date, download application form. Now you need to verify the payment by clicking the verify button over here, and over here verify button. After that your form will be downloaded and all the information will be given, appointment date and time, etc. So subscribe my video and channel, share this important degree attestant video to other candidate because it is very important who have graduated and worry about how to attest the degree. So these all are my application ID. I already submitted it. What documents you will need for attestant? Your downloaded form, original form, your fee challan, one link transaction fees challan, and your all the transcript, degree, original, matric, intermediate, undergraduate. If you are completed masters to masters degrees, if you are doing completed PhD to PhD degrees, all of these stuff are required for original. Duplicate, they are not entertain duplicate cases. So this is very important video for you guys. So subscribe my video and share with other candidates. Thank you very much. Take care.